you ever heard of OpenPose? It's a machine learning algorithm where you basically take your web camera or any camera, point it at somebody, and whatever like their position is, it'll basically work out what their actual exactly. Yeah. So if they were dancing, then theoretically you could capture like their movements and motion, and then you could use that to then create a virtual avatar. So theoretically, you could actually have a whole bunch of virtual avatars created from real people actually dancing at the same time.
Yeah. With Kinect, it's really easy, but with OpenPose, then you can use any video stream, right? So then it's quite accessible. Could be fun. Like you make your weird avatar and you give it movements. Then it's there.
You can even do like cheers and stuff like that. Basically, like hey, cheers to you. Like
I just remembered this experiment, like music video, which is composed of people's dances from VR tracking.
Everybody sing the same song.
So we'll build up a loop of movements, and then we'll loop back around and we'll make a duplicate of you. And we just keep adding like these versions of you into the room.
It's a good example. It's a nice example because it demonstrates that you can have something that is shareable, basically. You don't necessarily require like a numerous like light scanning. That was pretty cool.
Also a way to do it here is like that. The more technology you have, the more you can contribute. But doing it even more accessible by using just standard webcam and OpenPose.